only person to consistently try and replace in-game sounds. You're a normal. I am not. Listen, I don't actually mean to do that. It just it's like second nature. It comes natural to me. Sometimes you just need the extra sounds to focus, right? It's like pew pew pew, and then you do the bum bum bum, and then you do the and then you do the you know, you get it, right? Yeah, I thought so.
5 minutes later.
You two!
Get down here, you little shit! The bum!
The wind rises.
Get down here! Hey! Get to the same level, buddy! Bum! Bum! Bum!